Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get one-handed keyboard on your iPhone. So the thing that you have to do now is just go visit your settings, and in this settings you just need to scrolling down until you found the general, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to slide into downside until you found the keyboard options over here, and then you just need to go click it. And after that you just need to take a look on the second boxes with the third rows, which is one-handed keyboard, and then you just need to go click it. And now you can just choose to activate either you want to be the keyboard on the left or on the right side. If you are comfortable with your right hands, just go click this right side. And now let's take a look on the result. Go into the home, go slide your screen into the app library and tap the search button, and you can see now you have an access one-handed keyboard for your iPhone. So that's the way how to get one-handed keyboard on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.